Nginibingelela nonke nibuka le video then soyenza i-question about acid and bases. I-question yethu lesizoyenza then i-reaction ithi the reaction between excess magnesium hydroxide then a slightly soluble base then excess magnesium reaction between yena and nitric acid. Then shuthi i-base yethu more than enough ukuthi react nalo shuthi iningi kakhulu ukuthi react nitric acid where it produces magnesium nitrate. Magnesium nitrate is a soluble salt and water. Then is ion magnesium nitrate with soluble salts then aqueous form. Then base according to the following balanced equation. Then sebethi la volume then 0.05 cubic decimeter of a base has concentration engaka. The base le inale volume and this concentration then is added should by add to by react nalo then is added to volume engaka and concentration engaka yale nitric acid. As basic calculate the pH of the final solution. The pH of final solution, okay, izodetermine yini pH final solution, izodetermine ilo uzozala after reaction say completed. Izophela nini reaction since isibonelo si khona ku excess shuthi lo excess mningi kakhulu yabo mningi kakhulu lo excess shuthi yena uzo react iphathi yakhe kodwa ukuze i-reaction like kungabikho izinto ezisala egcineni funa izinto ezilingane in amount ukuze wazi ukuthi si-neutralizane. Then ngoba lo excess shuthi amanye amaphathi wakhe azosala nga-react because azobe sebephelelwe ophani nabalo ekufuna react nabo ukuze ilokhu njani i-reaction ilo ifike i-completion i-pH ingalo ngabikho i-dominator then ibe ku-7 or like ibe closer to 7. Then i-pH izodetermine iloku excess lo because uzosala because lo sothi mhlambe unamaphathi awu-10 ama-moles lo unawu-5 yabo shuthi ngoba i-ratio ithi 2:1 ngobe u-5 la shuthi uzodinga ungaki la then azodinga awu-half ka-5 or 5/2 shuthi la amanye asala yila wazokhanda i-pH ke lawo ma-moles lawo awale base. Senza njani-ke for la into ekanje makunento excess ezozala ukhumbula iformula ethi ama-number of moles initially lawa oqale ngawo wale because lo excess alingana namaphi because angithi ahlukana phakathi vele ahlukana phakathi afika ba ama-number of moles are-reacted bese kuba amaphi ama-number of moles ubeni la ma-number of moles la anga-reactanga asalayo. Ngoyihlanganisa yonke lento le angithi ikubuyisela la uqale ngawo into nje ukuthi ehlukanisiwe la ahlukanise ukuthi ngungafani kwawo ukuthi ama kanjani yilena ke formula esebenzisayo for izinto ezikanje. Lo final uchaza ukuthi lo okusele then thina siwathola kanjani because la sikhuluma ngebase number of moles initial siwathola kanjani naku sitsheliwe la bengaka react then lo esikliyeziwe la before i-reaction iqala then sinikezwe concentration and the volume then shuthi formula ezotholela number of moles lethi C is equal to N over V. Sine concentration of 0.115 is equal to number of moles. Number of moles ekuqaleni bengaka bese azo react divided by i-concentration yethu yile then i-volume 0.05. Number of moles of magnesium hydroxide initial ngaka-react lingana nale number ezophuma 0.05 multiplied by 0.115 lingana no-0.00575 mole. Then the number of moles initial sesinawo initially then kufuneka i-pH final ingani siza kule formula ngithini iphathi esifuna ile no excess eno final ile into include u-final ile part for i-pH yini siza la kulama number of mole siyazi ukuthi i-pH idetermine i-concentration mayidetermine i-concentration kusho ukuthini from mase sine-number of mole excess ngayithola i-concentration since sinani sine-volume i-volume lezinto lezi ezobe seyihlanganele kuyo i-volume yabo because bazobe sekuyi-container eyodwa kanje bazo-add-a lo ene-volume yakhe yakhe e-occupayayo ingene la kulo kade vele la i-volume yabo izobe seyihlangene sebe ne-volume yabo futhi i-final volume ezobe seyihleli kuyo lo zobe sekuyile volume le plus le. I hope you understand. Yeah, then sekukanje initially then for u-reacted sinithola kanjani u-reacted sino-initial sithola kanjani ukuthi ungakanani walo reactile siyazi ukuthi lo uzo-reacta wonke aphele ukuze apheleke then udingana ukuze a-reacte aphele uzobe enga-reacti yedwa ngithi uzo-reacta nalo nama-parts walo futhi lama-parts azobe lingana a-reacte nawo ahamba ine-form of i-ratio leyo ukuthi noma ngabe ethi mina nginawu-2 ama-moles wami akhona nje uzodinga nama-moles awu-2 azo-reacta and utham-neutralize angithi yabona ukuthi i-balance it's like u-2 la then 2 moyi-add le nto ikhipha u-0 seyi-balance yabo seyi-neutral seyi-0 ikanjalo-ke then usebenzisa i-ratio ukuze uwathole shuthi thina ama-number of moles singawatholi maphi ilawa wala then siwenze i-ratio nawala sithola ukuthi noma sithi lo unamangakhi then senze i-ratio yeah like sithola ama-number of moles alo then senze i-ratio sesithi sinani-ke for yona concentration and the volume shuthi le formula isengasebenza futhi sithola ama-number of moles nje awalo initially yiwo futhi azo-reacta wonke because i-limiting reagent uzoshesha aphele uyozokwenza sibone ukuthi seyiphelile i-reaction manje ngoba vele lo uzosala yedwa engamsa-reacta namuntu. C is equal to N over V concentration yakhe is 0.095 is equal to number of moles over 0.025 asi-convert i-volume because vele sekuma-cubic decimeter yabo sekusimple 0.095 times 0.025 uyacross multiply la because kune-equal sign then sithola u-0.002375 mole of nitric acid yabo nitric acid then siyazi ukuthi wonke lawa reactile ukuze sithole la ukuthi reacte ngendlela enjani senza i-ratio between bona sithi i-ratio between our base and acid ithini ubhala u-magnesium hydroxide la then bese uthi i-ratio ngithi uyibhala ngenzansi shuthi la 1 lo la vele u1 nakungena ungambhalanga lo 2 ngeke umbhale eduze kwakho ne-nitric acid kanje uthi ubhala u2 la uzombhala ngenzansi kuma-ratio then so uthi i-ratio ithini i-ratio ngaphansi ithi 1 la is to bani is to 2 u2 lo lapha then shuthi i-ratio ithi 1 is to 2 this is for bani nitric acid shuthi le number le kahle kahle ingena la because si-compare inama-number of moles la then i-ratio ama-mole is 1 is to 2 it's just a ratio ukuthi lo ma yena u2 lona no1 shuthi yawa lo aphindeke kabili ngokubona ku2 times lawa akanye shuthi ukuze uthola wala wenza njani udivide lawa ngo2 then shuthi ama-number of moles of magnesium reactile so it's therefore number of moles of magnesium reacted because i-ratio yakhe iwu-half waleya number yabo ithi iwu-half ka2 shuthi uzodivide ngo2 then is equal to 0.00237 mole divided by 2 then uzothola u-0.0011875 mole yeah ani owe-base reacted then so nawo lawa sizothola excess then so kuzoba lula-ke so yaya laphana-ke number of mole initially nawo uzowa-substitute 0.00575 is equal to number of mole reactile yilawa ngithi 0.0011875 plus number of mole excess. Sebenzisa le formula le. Then number of mole excess azosinikeza i-concentration excess, then sesiqedile sesikalkulisa i-pH kuphelile. Kodwa singakhohlwa ukuthi sidila nani ne-base inama-hydroxide ions, hhayi ama-hydronium ions lawa included kwi-formula ye-pH. Then it's 0.00575 minus 0.0011875. Then sithola le lawa excess lawa la nga-reactanga 0.0045625 mole excess of bani of magnesium hydroxide, because we are no excess. Then can see a concentration yakhe excess, because the formula pH it's a pH is equal to minus log H3O plus, but yabona ukuthi lama ions H3O plus asinabo la kule formula, so thola singathola amanamba of elokhu njani yani. Okay, let's asiqhubeke, singathola u-hydroxide ion, but sifuna u-hydroxide ion khona iformula futhi kwi-formula sheet efakwa hydroxide ion angithi i-Kw constant, yabo leyo nto leyo-ke leyo formula. But-ke asiqhubeke, see number of mole excess, we are looking for i-concentration yalo, then but i-concentration esiyifunayo ilezo khanda i-pH. Then concentration ithini sibheka yona 0.0045625 number of mole excess. Then number of mole volume final ngiseka ngithi seyi-additive, because lezi zinto sezisendaweni eyodwa. Le volume eyoccupy lo seyizoccupyeka la, then seyizoba iyo yo-2, shuthi 0.05 plus 0.095 0.05 plus 0.095 shuthi ile answer divided by 0.05 plus 0.095. Then concentration ile it's 0.0315 mole of cela ukuthi la i-base for i-space, because nesikhathi yabo i-base okwe-base lokho. But thina sifunani, siyazi ukuthi i-determine yini i-base i-concentration, so i-determine i-concentration yama-ions, wona determine concentration yama-ions aleyo substance. Ngoba sikhuluma nge-base futhi ama-ions wakhe ayi-determine yimaphi o-hydroxide ions, yabo. Then bawungakhi-ke masenze i-ratio between magnesium nani hydroxide nani ne-ratio between OH minus bakhe, because i-concentration yakhe le ithi ne-ratio according to i-reaction yabo with ilokhu njani ionization reaction ithi 1:2. Ithi magnesium engaka ukwazi ukuthi aproduce laba abawu-2, yabo. Shuthi amanamba i-concentration yakhona izothini-ke i-ratio ngithi siyenza nge-concentration number of mole, because yabo ba-direct proportional la. Shuthi ama-number of moles alawa angakanani, lama number of moles awale base, then azothinika wala azothi azoba 2 times lawa. Shuthi ama-number of moles of OH minus alingana no-2 times 0.0315 then mole yiwo lawo. Then sesiya kwi-pH-ke, for ukuthi siye ku-pH nge-substitute ama-hydroxide ion lawa ngithi OH minus la khona H3O plus, shuthi kumele sithole lawa kuqala, then bese siwa-substitute lana. Sithola kanjani? Siza kule formula ethi 1 times 10 to the power minus 14 is equal to concentration yalaba multiply by concentration yalaba, kodwa wena soyi-substitute-ke thina. Ngizoyibuyisa kanje ngithi 2 times ngibuyisise calculator times 73/2 is 20. Then i-concentration H3O plus izolingana nobani? Izolingana no 10 to the power negative 114 divided by lokhu. Shothi kuzoba divided by lo we are looking for, then bese substitute then sithole pH divided by 2 times 73 over 2,320. Then iyona concentration yethu le, then in mole per cubic decimeters. Then uyayithatha le concentration yakho, then izolingana nobani? 10 to the power negative 14 over 2 times 73 over 2,320. Lulingana 1,589 times 10 to the power negative 13. Then khani uzalana kule formula so substitute uthi minus log substitute le conjugate le concentration le yama hydronium ions. Then so it's minus log ufake le answer. pH may be greater than 7 because it's a base. Then about bani 12.79.80 must round off. Then this is our final answer, as you can see. Then thank you for your time. I think we had a good time with this question. Can you please subscribe if you find this video useful?